Good day, it is Stephen Davis here. In this video, I want to show you how to use the auto threader of the Singer Heavyduty. The auto threader is not so easy and not so auto as it seems to be. The auto threader is here, located here next to the needle. You must pull it down. In order for the auto threader to engage properly, you must have a straight switch. This dial must be on the straight switch, not anywhere else. Secondly, the stitch width must be on 0. These are the prerequisites. And then the third requirement, and this is namely that this position of the needle position must be in the middle. So these are the 3 requirements. I assume you will know how to thread it through here, the right process, up to this wire. Now from this wire, if you have that wire there, then you must see to it that this needle is in its highest position, and you do this by turning the flywheel anti-clockwise towards you. So you turn the flywheel and you will see it go down, and it will also go up. And as soon as it will start will come down, you know it reached its stop. After all the settings are correct, you pull down the auto threader. Now the auto threader, as you can see, there is a very fine, you can't really see it, an extremely small hook that must go through this hole of the needle. You really can't see it. That hook is so small you can't really see it. You sometimes you wonder if is this thing right, isn't it broken off or whatever. You just push it in and it slides up. If it slides up, it means that small hook did not engage this hole and did not go through this hole. You see, if you just put it there, it's up, it means it did not engage that hole. So what you must do is you can use your hand and just maybe use the needle, push it down. Okay, there. Okay, no, not engage. Maybe put it a little bit to the side, or move it to one side or the other side. You see, if it stands still there on its own, it means then that the needle did go through the hook went through that hole in the needle. That hook is now through that hole in the needle. That's the way you can be sure because they had properly engaged. You then take the thread, and can you see here? Here's a hook here on the one side, and on the opposite side is also a small hook here. So what you do then is you take this thread, and in a very specific way you thread this threader. You take it here underneath this hook. Underneath this hook, bring it down underneath this hook. You then take the thread and bring it in front of the needle. In front of the needle, down below. And then you also hook it in there at the opposite hook. You hook it there, and when it's hooked in front of the needle and hooked in at the opposite hook, then you slowly release it to the back. And having moved it to the back, you can just release it so that it goes forward, and then you just release it. To tell the truth, if you have a steady hand, the old-fashioned way of doing the needle is much better and much faster than this method of Singer. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe. Smile!